Now he's fixing to do Big Bubba Boom or something there. You know, Bubba Boom. Time for Bubba Boom.
Stand this shit up.
I don't know how this does over here.
Pick it up.
How you work that? I don't know.
Finale power. It says finale power.
I take all the plastic off of this one, don't I?
No. You don't have to.
Seemed like
Take
it would.
off the top.
It would. If you take off the plastic, maybe like get more air to work better or something. I don't know. I have no idea though. I'm just saying.
Yeah, you can't get to it until you take the plastic
Alright,
off.
take off the plastic.
You can put the down here with the box.
This is the one that might wake some people up.
There's 25 shots in it.
25 shots worth it goes straight up.
Yeah. These are mortars inside.
Oh really? I hope they go straight.
I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so too.
25 awesome shots, man. Here, hand me that down there. In the trash.
So you just gonna set that flat on the ground, or you gonna put the other one sit on top of the?
I'm gonna set it on top of the box.
Okay, I didn't know what you're just gonna do.
You smoking while holding?
Yeah, that's right. You're smoking while you're holding it. I noticed that. I got that on the picture. You know.
This is where he blows his hands up.
Hmm. What is that?
I hurt my ankle. Take away from that.
Yeah.
Stuck in the hole again,
What did he do? What is this one? Is this the one that was a dud? Is this the one? Is that the one you thought was a dud?
Yeah, it's crickets.
Oh, okay.
The lid came off.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, now it's time for the Bubba guy. I hope it don't fly out this way, so because I don't want to have to move. I'm not fast enough. It'll get me. Oh look, dude's reading directions over there. Looks like. I'm not getting up, so if I die, you know, everybody knows why. Don't get in the way. All right.
That's one. Damn. Man.
No, it's not.
I got hit by something. There's a fire. It's coming down. This is loud as hell. Hey. There's fire. There ain't the end of it.
I counted 19.
Huh?
I counted 19. How many did y'all count?
I don't know.
I did. You're supposed to be how many?
25. Some of them shot like 3 or 4 at a time.
I know, but I counted 19 times it went out, you know.
That was louder than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I mean, it's quit smoking yet. Don't get over there.
Well, now everybody can have their piece and go to bed.
Well,
I thought you had to just let that sit there. Don't move it. Don't do nothing with it. Yeah, get hit in the face, Tom. Marshall, both y'all gonna get hit in the face.
they all shut up. They all shut up.
It done?
Yeah, it's done.
All right, happy 4th of July. There was some other people around had some of those. I heard them, you know.
Yeah. Did all two?
Imagine setting like 4 days off at the same time.
Ha ha. Well, y'all say happy 4th of July then. All right.